You read correctly, it's not clickbait. I'm leaving London. Why am I leaving? Where am I going? I'll tell you in a minute. Right now, I'm on my way to meet Michael for one last photo shoot in London. I'm probably going to miss sunset, but I might make it for blue hour, so I need to hurry up. Okay, looks like I'm not making blue hour either. Damn tube took forever. Anyway, so where am I going? I'm heading out to Brisbane, Australia. And I'm going there because Chris's project is out there and she moved there last month. So I'll be joining her soon. It's a good thing that I can work remotely and my job allows me to do that. So we'll be there for 6 months and it's a brand new experience. I haven't been to Oceania just yet. I've always wanted to. And I am super excited to explore that part of the world. Hey you! Hey you! Hey!
How are you?
Yeah. Last time shooting together for a while?
Yeah, gotta grab a drink.
Oh, you gotta gather drink.
And a burger.
An alcoholic drink. Or...
Beef burger.
No. We're vegetarians here.
Well, I'll grab a veggie one with me.
Okay, let's go.
Cheers.
Photography plans have gone to shit because we were starving. So we're gonna see if we're gonna find any nice compositions now that it's all dark. But we'll see, we'll see. Let's go to a bar and see if we can find a nice rooftop. And, where are you
Let's
taking me?
go to the new 14th floor seabird restaurant at the newly opened Hoxton Hotel in Southwark.
Look in the middle, damn it! My shot. Okay, fine.
So let's go. We're going to the 14th floor seabird restaurant. The view should be really cool, but we still quite don't know if we're going to get kicked out for all the gear that we're carrying.
Alright, I've set up my camera, 28-300. We've got the Shard over there, a lot of trains going by. It's quite dark, so it looks very moody, very Gotham-like, which I like. Michael has set up a nice little time-lapse over here with the One Blackfriars building. We visited this building before it was finished. Check out that video up here. Okay, it started raining a lot right now and we're sitting right under the rain. I took a couple of pictures this side of the city with the One Blackfriars and the traffic over down there. But I think now we should take our cocktails and go sit over there where it's not raining.
It's a good idea. It's a good idea, yeah.
It's time to say goodbye to Michael. See you in a few months.
You.
And oh, thank you. Next time I see you guys, I'll be in Australia. So. And we're in Brisbane, Australia, and it's lovely and warm, and it's not even summer yet. I think I could get used to this. This place is really interesting. Anyway, a couple of channel updates before I start this next chapter of my life. I do have a shit ton of videos to edit, including this one and a couple of iPad reviews for photographers and videographers that I've been working on, and I have an entire American road trip to edit. Other than that, I'm really looking forward to exploring this beautiful city and every other place in Australasia, as they call it. Apparently it's not Oceania anymore, I don't know. So look forward to those, as I do as well. And if you like this video, give me a like and consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.